Monday, nakakatamad pero ganun talaga. Sabi nila, pinagdasal mo tong job na to, so bawal kang tamarin.
One eternity later.
So ayan guys, may BTS tayong Oreo, purple, like Mommy and Ella's dress. So open it. Nakatapos lang nilang kumain.
Purple. You can still see Ella.
Tita Janice.
Okay.
Purple.
Do you know there's some Oreo bits on at Costco?
Yeah, that's BTS. You taste it, Kuya. Smells good?
Yeah, it tastes good.
O sige, kay Kuya na lang, okay?
One eternity later.
How are you?
Good.
It's yummy? Eh, grabe, oh. Picture. May heart ka. So, yan guys. Pupunta tayo sa... Where are we going? Tim Hortons.
Dad, I need to go.
Yan guys. Pupunta ngayon tayo sa Tim Hortons.
Boom, 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 boom.
Di ka ba nainitan, Ella? Dreamers, so andito kami sa labas. Kumakain ngayon ng... What are you eating?
Muffin.
And... Kuya?
I did.
Yun. So, maganda ang panahon, kaya dito tayo. Against the light, ang itim nyo dyan. One, picture. Sit with Kuya. Sit with Kuya. Smile, Kaden. Look here. How about Ella? Smile, Ella. Ay, sus. Tara na. Ayan guys. Pabalik na kami. At naka-outfit po. Ako nakapalpush. Pero naka-raincoat tayo guys. Gusto ko lang siyang ilabas. Then maliligo naman siya later. Look at Dreamers. So, andyan na yung chef. Wow! Talagang galit na galit. Ilan linagay mo dito? Asan yung ano natin, Nori? Oh, what will you say to Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
And?
Happy Father's Day.
How about Ella? Yan na guys. Tinatawag ko siyang Nori. Bakit ba? Parang narinig ko to nung sa class of Junior College. Pero yan na. Seaweed siya. Tapos ito. Gusto ko pa ng marami pero may balak din kasi kami. Guys, habang umuulan, kumakain tayo ng noodles. Diba? Perfect!
Fart. There's
Ganda, di ba? Oh, ano?
Thank you.
Okay then, go to Daddy.
Did you do this?
Pakita mo nga, ano ba yan? Ginawa nila. Tingin. Wow, ganda ng card.
So, ini-insert lang.
Oo. Galing namin gumawa ng card, no?
Never gonna give in. We're gonna be together till the end. Mom and Dad.